What's up, guys? It's your friend Jeremiah. I just want to make a quick video about this spark plug cleaning tool. Dewan was saying that he fouled out a shitload of spark plugs and doesn't want to spend $4 a piece on them, bunch more or something like that. So let's look here. I've got the spark plugs out of my motor, which was running fat because I had a stuck fuel injector, so it messed everything up. I've blasted this spark plug here through my spark plug cleaner already. This is a very old one, I think, but you can go get the same kind of tool for like 15 bucks over at Harbor Freight, or probably the same price on Amazon. So what it is, it's basically a little sandblast tool. You plug this end here on your air chuck, and you put your spark plug in this rubber hole here. Bloop, bloop. And then this little baggie down here has some kind of abrasive shit in it. Then when you're ready, you push this button. And I figured out quickly that blasts sand everywhere, so you should cover the whole apparatus with a little towel and then actuate it, and then sort of spin your spark plug in the socket so it gets a little bit of a different angle. But let's plug the air hose in and clean one of these off. Let's do, this is off of number 1, and it's not too bad, but you can see there's definitely some shit on there. So we'll plug that in the business end here, down here, and okay, and so we'll see how it came out. Alright, oh, focus. Come on, camera, focus. You can see most of the crud is gone. Didn't return it to necessarily brand new coloring, but I don't really care about that. Come on, focus, stay focused, stay focused. But you can see the electrode is pretty well clean, and that's what really counts for your, for your spark plug. So D-Brooks, go down to Harbor Freight and buy one of these tools. Catch you later.